Nairobi is the city of hope, guys. This is beautiful, guys. What do you think? Comment down below, let me know what you think. And this is free water. And I'm very sure your maji inatoka hapo. Na feel nifinye nione. Yeah, the water is coming out, guys. See? There's water. Wow, this is good. And guys, we have another one on the other side. So now we have two of them. And this one has a very beautiful decoration here. Wow. Vizuri. Yeah. Zitakuwa bebe, wacha. Zitakuwa. Hiyo maombi yako tu tumetema.
Shida si maombi yangu, shida ni vitu zimeanza kutokea sasa hivi.
Hazitafanyika, imagine. Zitakuwa hivi.
Let me tell you a fact. The fact is this. Mr. Kasongo can do anything for power. But we have another aspect of the Rigijis and the family.
What can they do?
The Mongikis in the house.
What will they do? Hello guys, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana Velma and I'm right here in the CBD Nairobi. The last time I gave you a view or a tour of this place, it had some remaining space for them to renovate. So that is what I want to give you an update. Let's see how much they have done. The cabros, what they have reached. Remember I showed you the Nkuruma lane behind Kencom. So that is where we want to go and see how far they have constructed or how far they have put the cabros. Wamemaliza ama they are not yet done. So let's go and see that, and then I'm going to compare this video right now, and then I'm going to come here and film at night so that you can be able to see the difference between how it looks right now, guys, as you can see, and then how it's gonna be looking at night. This place looks so beautiful. The lighting fixtures that maybe right now you cannot see, but this floor. So we have this cabros at night, it glows. We have some lightings here. So guys, stay tuned. Let's go and see. What do you want to be asked? What do you? I'm from here.
You're from here?
Yeah, I'm from Kenya.
Stay here.
Yes, I stay here.
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
What's your name?
Diana.
Diana.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, you're a streamer?
Yeah.
Oh, Diana B.
Yeah, Diana B sasa. Diana B kwenye beats.
But he knows that you're in the street right now.
He doesn't know. He should know, right?
If he could know, I think he can.
He should. Yeah, what do you think about the development? Especially here.
First of all, you know how they.
Are you okay being on the camera?
Yes, ask him.
You
know how we call here?
What do you call this place?
This is United States of Nairobi.
United States of Nairobi.
You can call it UK.
UK? Ah, that's very good. So, what do you think about the development? Because the last time I was here, hakukuwa na hizi, they had not put the cabros. It looked different.
Yeah,
so,
it's looking different. Yeah, it's looking amazing. First of all, I appreciate the people who are working here, who are in charge of the development. Yeah, they're doing great work. If I could be them, or I could talk on behalf of them.
Yeah.
I can say, if I say this.
Yeah, I know what you I know what you mean.
Yeah, so they're doing a good job and they're working amazing. Even if you work even at night,
Yeah.
you're feeling like you're in a capital city. You're in a city under the earth.
Yeah, I saw at night it glows. They have some lightings here.
Even on the
Yeah, like that one there.
They're looking nice. They're looking amazing. Even if you are new for your first time in Nairobi, you might think that you're in London.
Yeah. So Nairobi it's
problem is language.
step by step it's becoming London.
Yeah, but the problem is language.
The language, why?
People could be speaking English.
But you're speaking English.
No, my English is 1, 2, 3.
It's 1, 2, 3. Your English is wanting. But as long as you're communicating, I can hear what you are saying.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
This thing came with the ship.
Ilikuja na meli?
But they're an artist.
You're a?
Musician.
Oh.
And the music, they're singing.
You sing?
Yeah, so those people are singing. Those people are calling themselves artists. They're singing.
Yeah, they're singing you. So do you have any videos on YouTube?
YouTube, on Boomplay, Amazon, everywhere. My music is worldwide.
And what is your name so that people can find you? Music?
E-D-Y, 1 D, then Y.
Musical?
Eddie.
Musical Eddie?
Yes.
Oh, Musical Eddie?
E-D-Y, 1 D.
E-D-Y?
Yes.
Musical Eddie?
Yes, exactly.
Like just like that on YouTube. So guys, go and find him, listen to his music and subscribe to his channel. So what are you doing here right now?
I'm the only photographer who can snap your photo and you get saved. Those other people are just playing. Just planning to be a photographer, but I'm the best.
You are the best. You are the best in the field.
Yeah, because You know what? This is, you know, when you came you're looking for photo and you're not born again. If I snap you one picture, me only, you're going to be safe. Because your sins will be cleansed, then you're going to become a new.
So you mean like when you get a photography, when somebody comes and you get them a photography, they are saved?
Yes, only me.
And the others?
Those other people are just trying.
They are just trying?
They are trying.
All right, nice to meet you, Musical. All right. Okay, you too, thank you. So guys, go and support that guy. He's a musician. He's saying he does music, he sings. So go and support him and watch his video. So I'm going to write his name here when I'm editing the video. So as you can see, there's not much work that has been done so far, because the last time I came, this place looked like this. Like nothing has changed over here, as you can see. So we still have a lot of work and digging that was done earlier that has not yet been developed, as you can see. But guys, I think these people are really working slow, because tell me why. It's like 3 weeks. The last time I filmed on this area, it was like 3 weeks ago. And this is what they have done. So you remember last time only one side here was constructed. But at least now they have put the cabros on the other side. But as you can see, they are like done halfway. They are halfway done. So you see, this is where they have done. The last time I came here, they had not put these cabros on this side. It was only put on the other side. But as you can see right now, they have already put the cabros here. So basically it's like halfway done, as you can see. But I think they are doing really slow, to be honest. Oh, sorry. So do you mean, guys, so kwani wanaekanga for how, like wanakujanga wanaeka cabros mbili every single day wanaenda? And also I've never seen them constructing, to be honest. I've never come here and found people actually doing the work. And I come on weekdays. So what do you want to tell me, guys? They're not building here, but as you can see this side they have already, but naona kama hapa hawajamaliza. So I don't know, guys, you comment down below, let me know what you think. And do you think they are doing slow because 3 weeks, you mean? Ama kuna mahali ingine ya watu wanaendanga kufanya kazi na mimi sijui. I really don't know, because I've never come here and found them actually doing the work. But as you can see this side, these are the cabros for early. Let's go and see the other front side, whether there is anything they have done. But as you can see at the back, that is what they have done so far. And there's so many people around this place. Where do people come from? There are so many. What? Why are there so many people here, guys? Look at that. I don't want to film people's faces. But there are so many people. Today is on Tuesday, I'm on lunchtime, so people are taking like a break. But let's see what they have done on this side. As you can see from this side, they have not done anything. This is how I left this place the last time I came here. So they have not added anything on this side. So this is where the cabros have reached. Wow, leo watu wako wengi CBD. Kama ni mimi sikujangi CBD. So as you can see this side, they have not done so much. So they still have a lot of work to do here. So let me go and show you all the other sides where they have completed. But you can see hapa ni stage that were Gong Road and all that. But I think they have not touched this side. There's no update on this side so far. This is what we left last time, guys. If you have watched my previous videos, you know this is what they had done as well last time when I came here. But guys, Nairobi is so beautiful. Look at these buildings. Just look at how it looks so beautiful. And I love how Nairobi has so much greenery on the roads, like for fresh air. Wow, it looks so beautiful, guys. What do you think? Comment down below. I love how it has a touch of green inside the CBD, because it gives it like a certain vibrant look. But see, this is the stage. These are the cabros. These cabros are different from these ones over here. So let me go and show you on the other side whether they have done any updates from here backwards. Remember, guys, I showed you that place yenye watu wanakunywanga maji. La place. The government did a good thing. You know how hassling for water is a lot. Wow. But after they put that place where people can drink free water, that was really, really thoughtful of them, guys. I'm saying this is the free water. People take free water here. Guys, here at night kuna kwanga na taa zinawaka. Ndio hii kama hii. Like this one. So these are lightings. They do like glow very nice at night. Even these ones here, guys, they glow really nicely at night. See? And then kuna zenye zimewekwa huko chini. Let me see whether we can see another one down here. Oh, we can see another one. Oh, there is this one. You know, they are not well visible because of the pattern of these tiles, so they look like similar. Guys, I think I'm going to do a comparison of this place, how it looks during the day and how it looks during the night, because at night it really glows and looks so beautiful. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end. So this is during the day. So this is how Kencom looks during the day. So I'll come at night, guys, and do a comparison. So take a look how it looks right now. Then at night you're going to see how it looks. I love how they have put these up places where you can just like throw your dust here, because the other times you just find all these things that have been thrown everywhere. Like somebody threw this here, guys, and you just have a dustbin around here. So guys, look at how they are beautifying this place. Wow, they even have like flowers. They look so beautiful. So I think they water them. That's why they are glowing beautifully. They look so beautiful. And so this is the end of this place. This is Kenyatta Market here. And this is how it looks, guys. Just see how beautiful this place here looks. I love how they have beautified it like this. Wow. And then the lightings. These lights, they glow at night, guys. They look so beautiful at night. I can't wait to show you at night. So we'll pass here at night and show you how it looks, guys. Guys, I told you I'll come here at night and show you. But apparently, look at these, guys. These are the lightings. Why are they not working right now?
I can explain to you why they're not working.
Why are they not working?
There was a truck that was passing over there. It did short some wires. After the wires short-circuited, it burned down the cable that was connecting power from that last pole to these lights.
Oh.
Right now, I'm here with my guys actually. I'm the engineer behind the light.
Oh, very nice.
So like right now,
it's so dark because I came here the other day and it was lovely.
My team will be here in like 30 minutes.
So it's going to be up in 30 minutes?
Not 30 minutes. By tomorrow evening, come to go.
Oh, by tomorrow evening? Wow. All right, no problem. Because I did a video in the morning and I told my people I'd come and show them at night the clothes. This street looks an accident. Okay, no problem.
That was passing on the hanging wires were caught onto the truck and they did some damage.
Oh, all right.
They're getting repaired tonight.
So by tomorrow they'll be here.
Come tomorrow evening to shoot your video.
Okay, sure. So guys, as you have heard, so the lighting are not working because apparently there was an accident. Because those lights, they glow. Even here, you see this is a light in here. It glows at night and there are so many. You just can't see them right now because it's dark. But guys, this is Kencom. This is how it looks at night. And I promise you guys, it looks beautiful. So I'm going to come here and film when the lights are back. But as for now, you know, it's not working because of that simple accident over there. It's not simple because it is costing us our beautiful lightings. But wow, this looks amazing. Look at how they have beautified the streets. The lighting, oh, the lightings here are different, guys. You see? Hadi chini kuna waka. Wow. I had not even seen this, honestly. Can you see? Hivi street venye zinawaka vizuri, guys. This is very beautiful. Wow. Looks amazing. Let me go. And can you see how wameka hii? These flowers here. Oh, during the day you can actually not see them properly. And the lighting here, they look amazing. Wow. Guys, this is Kencom. So let me show you here. Remember, I also told you I'm gonna show you behind here at night. Let's see how it looks. This is where we had so many people during the day. People were simply sitting down around this area, resting. And as you can see, it's still at night, but we still have a lot of people around this area. Uliniambia watu wanajaanga hapa kwa nini? Bana watu wanajaanga hapa hii area. Anakuja kurest bado. Watu wanakuwa wamejaa. Ama imekuwa Uhuru Park ya CBD. So many people. Like right now it's at night. And this area is only made for people to pass. No cars, no motorbikes are allowed in this area. Yeah, so this street is this is a free zone for people to pass and sit and purely for pedestrian to sit, rest and pass. Hata motorcycle hazikuwa allowed hapa. So guys, on this side, this is how it looks. Nkuruma Avenue, guys. Now, I keep on calling it Nkuruma Lane. It's called Nkuruma Avenue. And it's hidden by these beautiful trees. And guys, the last time I told you, they're doing a good work on a tree. Look at how they are like protecting this tree over there. A simple good design. These are how they look, eh? So this is how it looks. Some people are still in the offices. You can see the lighting that's still on. People are working hard here in Nairobi. So this looks like a parking place. This is where people could just park their cars. And look at that tree as well. Napenda venye wameweka hizi nini. Ndio, wameprotect vizuri. Yeah. Zitakuwa bebe, wacha. Zitakuwa. Hiyo maombi yako tu tumetema.
Shida si maombi yangu, shida ni vitu zimeanza kufanyika sasa hivi.
Hazitafanyika, imagine. Zitakuwa hivi.
Let me tell you a fact. The fact is this. Mr. Kasongo can do anything for power. But we have another aspect of the Rigijis and the family.
What can they
do?
do?
The Mungikis in the house.
What will they do?
Including the Gen Zs in the house. War zone.
But they'll not uproot. I promise you, Gen Z, if you're watching here, Gen Z, if you're watching this video, do not uproot anything. Do not.
Who told you they won't?
They won't. I know.
That will be the only way to remove that e-goat.
Which e-goat? Is your president calling e-goat? Jesus Christ.
What will he do for me? He won't do for me anything.
He won't do anything for you. But he's protecting you.
Protecting who?
It's you.
Who said that? The only person who protects me is God.
That's
not
true.
A normal being.
That's
a human being that I can also kill if I wish.
Wacha. Unachoma. But why are they taking long for them to build here? Because the last time I came, bado walikuwa bado hawajajenga hapa. Na sijaiona wakijenga. Wanajenganga saa ngapi hapa?
They can't do it during the day.
So they do it at night? But I've never, but right now it's at night, but I can't see them.
Wanataka saa 6 tayari wakishaisha tabu.
Ya sawa. So guys, as you can see, so there we met that guy. They are trying to see whether he's an NIC because NIS ama ni NIS. So as you have seen the other side of the road, the other side of the town, these lights were off, but here in this side the lights are up, guys, and it's glowing and beautiful, as you can see. So the other side of the road, some nigga just cut the wires and it's not working, but right now Nairobi is beautiful. From this side it's glowing. You can even just walk here at night without feeling like somebody will grab your phone, although people just grab your phone, but it feels safe. The light is massive. You can be able to see somebody on the other end because of this lighting, guys. It looks so beautiful. So this is Nairobi looking like New York at night. And you see this, guys, Nairobi looking like New York. This is Kencom. People are still in their offices. Wow. This is how it looks. You also have the lightings on the other side of the road. You have the electric bus. That is an electric bus over there. And we have so many of them. So guys, comment down below. Have you ever tried an electric bus before? If you have, let me know your experience. Ndio hizi manganya za Nairobi hizi. Huyu asiruke agusha na nitei. So guys, comment down below, let me know what you think. This is how Nairobi looks at night. And I've shown you how it looks in the morning or during the day. But I wanted to really show you the lightings on the other side. I'll make sure I come back and insert the video of that area with the lights on. Oh guys, when I left here I never left this. So they have added this, the city of Hope and the city of Hope, guys. I didn't live this year, and it's water, guys. Another free water spot here in Nairobi CBD. Guys, did you know this? They have added this other water spot here inside Nairobi CBD. The other time I came to give you an update, there was no this. And it's written the city of Hope. Nairobi is the city of Hope, guys. This is beautiful, guys. What do you think? Comment down below, let me know what you think. And this is free water. And I'm very sure your maji inatoka hapo. Na feel nifinye nione. Yeah, the water is coming out, guys. See? There's water. Wow, this is good. And guys, we have another one on the other side. So now we have two of them. And this one has a very beautiful decoration here. Wow.